or an electric cigarette? Well, believe it or not, they do exist. Companies overseas and on the internet are selling devices that let smokers get a hit of nicotine without the cigarette. And we are not talking about some nicotine patch. These are actual devices that look and feel like real cigarettes. But get this, there is no tobacco, no dirty smoke or tar. It sounds like they might be able to help a lot of people, right? Casey Stiegel with the news live in Los Angeles. So a lot of people have that oral fixation. So are they getting that oral fix out of this?
Yeah, they absolutely are. In fact, we hear of reports people smoking these on planes, in hospitals, places where cigarettes are certainly not allowed. Listen to this. There are more than 47 million smokers in this country, according to the American Heart Association. Many of those people trying to kick the habit, and for years folks have turned to things like those nicotine patches and gum and lozenges, you name it. But now more and more smokers using this. Check it out, a high-tech way to put the pack down. Electric cigarettes have been popular for some time throughout Europe and other parts of the world, but now the trend catching on here at home. The plastic tube looks just like the real thing, although instead of lighting it, it is powered by batteries that you charge, and it contains a liquid form of nicotine that is heated and then vaporized when you puff on it, even simulating smoke.
It's a feel-good product. Every smoker has been bashed for years about how bad it is for them and those around them, and this eliminates that, so it kind of takes that weight off of their shoulders that they've been experiencing by the social stigma surrounding smoking.
This is the first thing I've ever seen that fills in some of those gaps and gives people an opportunity to continue the behavior associated with smoking, not go through nicotine withdrawal, and not do any additional damage to themselves. Because nicotine in and of itself doesn't cause disease.